Hey DIY fam! You asked for it and it's finally here, my 1.3 kilowatt hour outdoor power station build guide. In this video, we're diving deep into the wiring and the full installation process. Pop it open and you'll see our inverter and the battery compartment. Just connect the positive and negative terminals and it's ready to go. Front, 3 220 volt outlets, LED, USB charging, and we're using a 1500 watt continuous inverter. That's enough juice to comfortably power a small fridge, your washing machine, or even a 1 horsepower air conditioner. Now for the build. We're using 4 lithium iron phosphate cells, giving us about 1.3 kilowatt hours. We're using laser welding for the connections. After series connection, we got a tiny 1.6 milliohm internal resistance. After that, more epoxy board for insulation, and then carefully solder all those battery management system balance leads onto each cell's positive terminal. Once the battery pack was done, we hooked up the main positive and negative to the inverter, making sure it fits snugly. Crimped on some copper lugs, connected them. All right, so with the build complete, it's time for the real test, a capacity check. I want to know if this battery I put together actually delivers on its advertised specs. You can see the voltage is at 11.7 volts, so it's fully discharged. We're going to put it on fast charge and get it topped up. Fast forward 3.5 hours and our outdoor power station is completely charged. Looking at the coulometer, it shows we charged in 102 amp hours. Considering this battery's nominal rating is 100 amp hours, that's exactly what we want to see. So, what kind of outdoor adventures would you power with a setup like this? Share your ideas in the comments below. And if you want to see more builds, more tests, and more DIY battery knowledge, make sure you're subscribed to Oscar.